Hello, everybody. We are Helica, your companion to happiness. We are a team of four enthusiasts with complementary skills. We have Faizan and Aslam, who are product analysts and designers. Also, we have Asad and Clement, who give business sense to the product. Did you know, shockingly, one out of every five American adults lives with a mental wellness issue? We, Helica, are solving the problem of people who develop stress, anxiety, and depression due to daily life struggles, who don't have the means to manage their daily wellness routines. Now, let's meet Lisa, who is one amongst the people facing struggles with their wellness routines. She is a 35-year-old American mother of a child in preschool. She is also financially stressed. She wants to be confident, feel happy, and have a sense of purpose. Now, you might be wondering, what role does Helica play in helping Lisa? Helica provides a one-stop service for tracking and improving Lisa's mental well-being. Our two-tiered solution consists of personalized challenges which include physical activities, meditation, and frameworks. In case of severe conditions, we also provide a service of connecting our users with professionals. Lisa has been using Helica for a while now, and she feels much confident and happy. She is being more productive at work and coping with normal stresses of daily life. Now, let's dive into the journey of Lisa with Helica. Once she lands on Helica, she will be given introduction about the services provided, which consists of personalized plans including physical activities, guided meditation, and interactive framework. Before getting started, Helica will try to understand Lisa's issue, and once it is done, her information will be analyzed, and then Helica will determine the type of activities. She will be prompted to sign up. Once she does that, Lisa and Helica will be engaged in a conversation and create a customized daily plan. It will consist a mixture of physical activities, guided meditation, and frameworks. Lisa can now also track her feelings and the badges she has collected with Helica. Now, $1 million question here is, how much does it cost? No surprise, Lisa availed it at the cost of a couple of coffees and a donut. In this battle of happiness, Lisa is not alone. There are 145 million American people who go through the same battles every single day. Now, let's see who are solving this problem currently. After analyzing our competitors, we realized that we can help Lisa better because of our personalized frameworks, guided meditation, and physical exercise planner. On top of these, we track users' happiness records and provide badges, which creates a customer lock-in and provides a sustainable competitive advantage. We project to grow our community of users to 3.1 million by the end of year 3 at a growth rate of 47% by benchmarking it with several competitors. We aim to increase the awareness of our service, which will lead to a gradual decrease of our customer acquisition cost from $47 to $35 by the end of year 3. Now, you might be considering that our customer acquisition cost is high, and we completely agree with it. Our team, even at this very moment, is brainstorming about the effective ways to reduce it. Also, we are analyzing our business model to come up with ways to increase our revenue from the service of connecting our customers with professionals. The biggest challenge that we faced was to study and understand the clinically best practice guidelines of Canadian health system to mitigate liability. Get your own true companion to happiness. Feel free to contact us at the given email.